Before breakfast reaches the world, millions of eggs begin their silent industrial journey here. Fresh shell eggs arrive in disciplined waves, each one destined for transformation. Even at this scale, careful handling protects the fragile shell that guards the liquid inside. Every batch is logged and tracked long before a single shell is cracked.
Before automation takes over, human eyes still read the subtle signs of quality.
The first rhythm of mass production begins with orderly separation. The pace increases, but the handling remains gentle.
Thousands of eggs are separated into a precise, flowing stream.
Before washing, the line prepares for a clearer look inside each shell.
The shells are rinsed clean before deeper washing begins.
Here, friction and water lift away the last stubborn traces from the shell.
A final sanitation step prepares the shells for cracking at industrial speed.
Air strips the shell clean so flaws can no longer hide.
Bright light exposes what the shell alone cannot reveal. Only the soundest eggs are allowed to continue. The line evens its pace so the cracking system can work without hesitation. This quiet holding pattern keeps the entire factory breathing in rhythm. Now each egg is presented to the machine with exact orientation. At this point, timing matters more than speed. With a single controlled strike, the sealed world inside the shell is released. For a brief second, the egg's structure is fully visible in motion.
The white falls first, while the yolk is gently held in place.
Preserving the yolk's membrane is one of the line's quiet miracles.
The whites move away first, smooth and almost transparent. Nothing edible and non-edible is allowed to mix beyond this point. The machine now cleans the yolk of nearly every remaining trace of white. Some streams remain whole, preserving yolk and white together for a different product. Before the product goes deeper, even tiny shell fragments must be caught. Filtration smooths the raw stream into a cleaner, more uniform product. Once filtered, the egg moves through a closed, stainless world. In chilled tanks, the raw whole egg is held steady and protected. The whites are stored separately, smooth, pale, and carefully chilled. The yolk, heavier and richer, is handled on its own terms. Different customers need different egg products, and the line adjusts with them. Blending evens out the natural variation of millions of eggs into one consistent product. Removing trapped air helps the liquid flow cleaner through the stages ahead. The temperature begins to rise with careful precision. This is the point where safety is built invisibly into every liter. Heat is applied just enough to protect the product while preserving its character. Here, the liquid is held for exactly as long as safety demands. As quickly as it was heated, the product is cooled back under control. Even after pasteurization, the product is checked again.
Consistency is measured here in color, texture, and trust.
From this final holding point, the product feeds the packaging floor. The empty container is prepared just seconds before filling.
The first finished form appears as whole egg fills each carton with warm golden weight.
Beside it, the whites flow with a lighter, cleaner movement. Yolk fills with a slower, richer motion that almost looks molten. The fresh liquid is enclosed the moment filling is complete.
Every package leaves the line with its own timestamp and trace.
Precision continues even after the cartons are closed. A perfect seam is as important as a perfect fill. Single packs become shippable units in one crisp motion. Heat draws the outer film into a clean, protective skin. For food service and industry, the same product fills larger, sterile formats. At the industrial scale, finished egg moves by the tote. Packaging becomes freight in a choreography of exact layers. A final clear layer locks the load into one solid block. The cold chain begins the moment the finished product leaves the line.
Here, product waits in strict refrigerated discipline for dispatch.
When orders are called, the right pallets leave storage in exact sequence. Before departure, every outbound load is confirmed one last time. The finished egg leaves the plant still protected by cold and control. As product ships out, the machinery begins its own cleansing cycle.
What produced food by the millions is now washed down to bare stainless again.
Rinse water reveals the steel again, bright and ready for inspection. Inside the sealed lines, cleaning fluids scour the invisible pathways of production.
The final sanitizing pass leaves nothing to chance. After the roar of production, the factory settles into polished silence.
With every surface renewed, the system prepares to repeat its perfect routine. What began as fragile shell eggs now stands ready as safe, precise, liquid food. The same careful process scales from a single carton to a full industrial tote.
From this controlled world of stainless steel and cold precision, the product begins its journey to kitchens and factories everywhere.
What began as billions of fragile shells has become a smooth, safe, and precise ingredient shaped by engineering.
Inside this factory, precision turns 1.3 billion eggs a year into liquid products,